All right, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar, of course. Ali Gatie and Ollie collab, beautiful, thank you. And the song is called Hopeful. All right, so we have three different chords to learn here. It's a 4-chord song, and it goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario. Let's dive into the Hopeful song, and we're gonna do that with the capo on second, the absolute best scenario for us. So let's go over the chords, and what I can tell here from all of these chords, we're gonna add this G note in the end there of all of these chords. So we're gonna go with A minor with this G note added. So it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and third E. That's the G note. All right, next chord will be the C with this G note added. So very easy transition from A minor. You just take that ring finger from the 2nd fret G string and put it on the 3rd fret A. Everything else stays the same and gives us that sound. It goes 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and 3rd E. And the third and final chord will be the F with still the same G note added. So what you do there from C, you just take down the ring finger and mid finger one string down. So from this to this, very easy. It gives us 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and still 3rd E. So the chord progression will be A minor to C to F and back to C. That's what's going on. Very easy transition here. You will keep the 1st fret B string and 3rd E throughout the song. Now let's look at the strumming. If you grab the 1st chord A minor, you will play like this. Okay, so you start with 2 downs, and then comes up, up, down, down. And that's it. You're gonna play one of those per chord. So again, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, down. Again, A minor, C, F, and back to C. So there you have it. Told you so. Very easy song from Ali Gatie and Ollie called Hopeful. Give it a try if you love that collab. Gordon Guitar and even guitar in general. Thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.